I'll be donating some of the wood from the lumber that gets milled to both Bring and Opportunity Village and possibly some other organizations. I walked around a little bit on, I guess it was West 6th, and saw some of the trees that they had removed, and the sidewalk had been lifted up a good 6 or 12 inches, and I could see that they were really confined. And in the case of this tree here, it's got some heart rot here, which an indication that the tree was stressed. My understanding is that the trees that will go in to replace these will be more suitable for that urban environment.